Hi, good morning. Today we are going to have only sensorial class. Max will come in another video. How are you all doing, children? Are you all doing your activities on time? Doing your worksheet? Coloring them? Great. So today we are going to do this workbook of rectangle. Okay, today we are going to focus on rectangles. You already know the shape, right? That's why I said immediately rectangles. But you see here I have different rectangles, is it not? Yes, some are big, some are small, some are tall, some are short. Is it not? So you would have come across so many rectangles. Like say a rectangle like this, you would have seen it in the TV screen. Your TV screen will be rectangle shaped? Yes. Or your doors and windows. It will be a rectangle shape, or it can be even a scale. You would have seen at home there will be a scale for which you will, mummy or daddy or your sister will be using for drawing lines. Scale. That is also a rectangle. Rectangle. Say rectangle. Shall we go ahead and see how we will do the tracing of a rectangle? Okay. Now, start at one point and go continuously. Okay? And when you want to turn, you stop and turn, don't take off your hands. Okay? You should never take your hands off the paper. Hand must be on the paper, but stop and turn. Okay? I'll show you how it is done. Let me say I'm going to start from here. Go down straight line. Stop. Don't take your hands off. Stop. Stop. Turn. Okay? I'll show you one more time. I'll make a small rectangle here. Do you see? Stop, turn. Don't take your hands off from the paper. Okay? Now shall we look in our workbook? What is there? Come. If you turn to page number 35, you will find these rectangles for you to trace. Okay? Use a thick crayon in the beginning, and then for the last one you can use a pencil. Okay? Start from one point and then stop, turn, stop, turn, stop, turn. Okay? Don't take your hands from the paper. Then you have to turn to next page, page number 36. In page number 36, color this rectangle. Make sure your color doesn't come out of the rectangle, it should be inside the rectangle. Then from these pictures you have to find out which of the pictures are rectangle. How about this piece of pizza? Is it a rectangle? No. How about this? Yes, it is a big rectangle and it has got two small rectangles inside. It's a drawer. Okay? A drawer or a cabinet of drawers. Rectangle. So color this. Door. Is it a rectangle? Yes. So color the door. Inside the door also I can see 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you know to count up to 4. Rectangle. Color it. Pear. That's not a rectangle. Apple. That is also not a rectangle. Playing cards. You would have seen somebody playing at home, playing cards. They are rectangular shaped cards. Color it. I have one more thing to introduce to you. Okay? Now that you have learned counting, you must be able to count and find out one thing called more. When you are at home, even before you knew counting, before you knew 1, 2, 3, you will say, I want more. I want more. If mommy is going to give you chocolate, some more chocolates you want, you will say. So So you know what is the meaning of more? Yes, you want lots of it is called as more. Okay, sometimes you can even identify more by counting them one by one. Okay, so I have some drawings, some pictures here. You have to count and find out which side has more. Let's take this picture of this bowls with gulab jamuns in it. Okay, this side also is there, this side also is there. We have to find out which cup or which bowl has more gulab jamuns. Shall we find out? Come, let's count. 1, 2, 3. This side there are 3 gulab jamuns. This side there is only 1, 2. Only 2 here. This side you have 3 gulab jamuns. Which one do you want? More? Yes. So where is more? 3. 3 is lots more. So you say, I want more. Circle it. Okay? More. We'll go to ice creams. I have here some ice creams. Shall we count? This side and that side separately. Let's count the black ice creams. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ice creams here. Here how many is there? 1, 2. Can you tell me which side has more ice creams? Where are the more ice creams? I'll tell you, those who want 2 ice creams, those who want more ice creams, go stand near more ice creams. Where will you go stand? Will you stand here or here? Will come here, right? There are more ice creams on this side. So let us circle more. Say more. One more is there. Okay? These are toffees. You like toffees? I love it. Not the sticky one. I like the hard candy kind of toffees. Okay? So these toffees, let's count and find out. You can actually see which is more, right? Which side has more? Again, the same side has more toffees. But we'll count it. You know counting. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on this side. 1, 2. There are just 2 there. Which one do you want? 2 or 5? You want 5? Okay, so because you want more. So you take 5 candies. Okay? Let's see what activity we can do in our workbook. If you turn to page number 25, you'll have this exercise on circling a group which has more. See, there are rockets this side and this side. Balls this side and this side. Bicycles this side and this side. And some cars on both sides. We are going to find out which side has more. You can count and find. Otherwise, if you can see also, you can circle it. If you can see and circle it, you still have to count to confirm. Let's confirm. Which side is more? For rockets, this side or this side? Here? Okay, we can circle it. But let's confirm if it's more. 1, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 here, and this side we have only 1, 2. So this is more. Let's look at the ball. Where do you see more balls? This side or this side? This side? Circle it. Okay? Now, let's count. This week you will be learning a counting of all these. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side you have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. Here you have 8. So this side is more. Will you similarly find out and circle which side has more cycles and which side has more cars? Okay, please do these two and circle it like this. That is all for this week, for today in sensorial. Okay, so do your work and have more fun. Okay, see you all in another video. Until then, bye bye.